Hi, in this tutorial we want to have several exit. Okay, so a line condition can be, for example, if close is higher than previous high. So if line condition strategy dot entry ID can be long, and direction strategy dot long strategy dot exit ID, for example, C long, and from entry long we have should be same with this, and okay, limit. Here we add TP1 input dot int TP1, for example 15, and SL, for example, same 50. So here TP1 and here limit and loss. Okay, this is based on point, not on price. Okay, if we want to price here, we should write profit. Okay, it's really okay. Problem is from me. It's problem. Okay, let's check list of trade entry. Yeah, this can be here, so we can write, for example, 3000. Let's check. It's really 4000 points. Tick. Okay, this is good. So as you see, yeah, TP is 4000. If we change it to TP not working here. Oh, one problem. TP not working. Let's check strategy that exit limit the take pro. If the parameters or not, they come up place take pro or the only price. Limit is for price. We should write here profit. Sorry, no working. Okay, no working. Yeah, so we want to have several exit, not just one. Okay, we want to have several exit. So for example, we have a TP2 X also. For example, this is on this and this is on 5000. So we use this, and again we write TP2, but it we use another ID, C line. Yes, C line 2. Okay, also we use QTY %. Here we sell no need we add % symbol. Here is enough. It will it will close 50% on this price. And also here we write QT% and default value is QT%, default is 100 or 1. Question is the default is 100 or 1. QTY, yeah, QT% default is 100. Okay, 100 is mean close all. Okay, so for TP2, because it's higher than TP1 and last one, we write 100. So yes, we can 15 to what 100 is better. Let's save. Yeah, as you see here, we have 1 and another 2. For example, I can change it to 6,000 as this is come higher than this. Okay, so with this method we have a partial exit for profit. We have several take profit.